If you are looking for an awesome outdoor chair, you are going to love this one by Colegence. I've been using this for call it a couple different months now. Absolutely love this. Easy to fold up, great for the beach. Comes with two, easy to fold up. I'm going to tell you everything you want to know about this, what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and two things you need to know before you even consider buying it. This is the box that's going to come in right over here. Really easy, literally just take it out the box, and you're going to get two of these. So it comes exactly like this. So it will come packaged really nicely. These actually do close really easy, and I really like this. You could hold up to 450 pounds on this, and you can see the material on this is absolutely beautiful. It's weather resistant, really easy to do, and the frame is really solid. You'll see here, this is what the bottoms look like. So this is good for the beach and the sand as well. This could hold up to 450 pounds. So some things I like about it right over here. So we have this compartment right over here. This is going to be an insulated one. So you could put ice in here if you wanted to. It also Velcros right over here. So you could see that. You could get about, so in terms of soda cans, you could get about 4 cans in here. This is a bottle of water, standard, what is this? 16.9 ounces. So you'll see right over here, this is kind of what it looks like inside, right over there. And then this could be shut just like that. And then you could just do that. And then you could zip this up. And this insulated will stay just inside there. We also have a cup holder over here. It's not necessarily big enough to hold a bottle like this. But you can get like a standard cup in there or a water bottle just like that. Water bottle goes in there perfectly. Same with kind of like a can of soda. You could definitely get that in there, no problem whatsoever. And it is nice, it's super comfortable. I'm gonna show you a side pocket in a second, and then we'll get some measurements done. So this is what it looks like here. Plenty of arm room right over here. You could see I'm about 5'11", 250. So perfectly comfortable for me. It's not really moving or anything like that. You can see here, even with the can of soda here, plenty of room for my arms, right? Some of these chairs that you're like kind of like fumbling around and doing all that stuff. This one is super comfortable, and I was kind of nervous about that when I first got this, because we've had a lot of chairs in the past and some of them are just not comfortable. This one is like literally sitting in a couch or your favorite recliner. It's just that comfortable. Another cool feature about this, and then I'll show you exactly how to fold it up, and I'll give you some measurements on this as well. Let's just do measurements quick. So we got the tape measure right here. From the back to the front, 20 inches. From the ground right over here to the top, we're going about 19 inches. Across arm to arm here, we got 34 inches. Kind of the back over here, give you everything. About, I'd say 21 inches. And then the back right over here, going to be looking at about 24 inches. So now for this pocket right over here, there is a side pocket over here. I actually didn't notice it at first when we first bought it, but there is a pocket right over here. So this could be great for an iPad. An iPad could definitely get in here. I kind of got some books right over here. So you kind of see, you could get a couple books in here if you wanted to read with this. So you could just put them in there just like that. So you can see right over here, 2 books in here. Definitely room for like 1 or 2 more if you wanted to. You could also put snacks and stuff like that in here as well if you wanted to. Now, always, the problem with these chairs is they don't fold up. They don't go in the bag easily. This one is not like that at all. This one folds up really nicely. Gotta take my drinks out first over here. So you can see here, you could just easily get that out. And it does come with the carrying bag. So you're just gonna wanna zip that up. Literally just fold it up just like that. Super simple. Kind of wanna ball this up a little bit. Then we're literally just gonna take this right over here. This is the bag that it comes in. We're literally going to do it just like that. You just wanna line it up a little bit. You wanna make sure that drawstring is on the outside. And then we're just gonna pull that up just like that. Super easy. That is the key to this, is lining it up. I'm struggling to do this because we're on camera right now, of course, but it just goes in there really nice. Couple like little pull-ups right over there. And if this is tight just like that, you'll be good to go. It just gets in there just like that. And then we're just gonna push this down. Super easy. And then we just pull this up. Not a big deal at all right over here. Super easy to do, which I appreciate. And then it just folds down just like that. I could have done a better job of bunching it up. That was my fault. And then you're good to go. And then we have this strap right over here that we can put it over. The strap is super comfortable as well. This is very lightweight, which I appreciate too. It doesn't really say how much it weighs. I'm guessing like 5 pounds maybe. But if you're looking for some great chairs that could hold up to 450 pounds, have that drink holder, have a side pouch, have a great sturdy bottom for the beach, these are absolutely awesome. We have been using these for about 3 months now. We have an outdoor area. We always have friends over. People love these chairs as well. So if you're looking for a great chair for camping, for outdoors, for tailgating, any of that stuff, definitely check these out. And I hope you found this video helpful, and give it a thumbs up if you did.